At Canisius College, each course you take has a space on the web where professors may post various kinds of content and activities. This system is called D2L, or sometimes Desire to Learn. Different professors use it, more or less, and in different ways. In this video, we identify the major components and commonly used features in a class. We're on a computer, and things will look a little different on a mobile device, but either way, if you know what to look for, it's not hard to find it. In other videos, we will show in detail how you can use or make the most of these features for your coursework. Let's get started. Once in D2L, you'll see the My Home screen. This is like the lobby or front hall of a building. On the right is a news feed that occasionally contains announcements specifically about D2L, including tutorial videos like this one. On the left, you'll see your courses listed as tiles. Typically, you'll see your current semester's courses, followed by your next semester's courses, if they are available. Another way to access courses is using a drop-down menu clickable at this box icon toward the top of the screen. Here you can click any course to enter it, and this menu is available to you even within courses. Also helpful on your My Home screen are tutorial and reference resources linked via buttons below the My Courses tile set. The D2L self-paced training is a collection of short tutorial videos like this one that focus on particular aspects and tools within D2L. Also helpful, particularly for new students, is the quick technology guide for students. To enter a course, click on the tile or link. This takes you to the home screen for that particular course. Here I'll point out the essentials, but obviously courses will vary since individual professors choose what to use and what not to use in each course. Some professors use the news feed on the course homepage to post announcements for the class. But if there's anything at all in a D2L space for a particular course, it's probably in the content area. Go to the content area by clicking the link on the nav bar that runs across the top of the screen. Here, listed down the left-hand side are modules or folders. To display a brief list of the contents in all of them, click Table of Contents. To see just the content in a particular module, click that folder's name on the left. Either way, in the center right, you see links to items or content topics. These could be files, links to content on the web outside D2L, assignment collecting Dropboxes, online discussions or quizzes, and so on. Additional information may appear below the title of a module or of a topic. Some professors use D2L's due dates and availability date functions. If so, you'll see when something is due or when it is available to you listed below the topic name or the module name on the left-hand side. However, other professors may simply include due dates within text or classroom instructions. So if you don't see a due date listed here, don't assume that there isn't a due date for a particular assignment. If your professor uses D2L to collect assignments, this happens in Dropboxes. You might see an assignment Dropbox here in content, but if a professor is using Dropboxes at all, you'll definitely see them accessible via the nav bar. So too with discussions and online quizzes. In D2L, discussions are similar to threaded message boards you find elsewhere on the internet, but in this case, they're limited to class members and provide more features for posting different kinds of content. These are used in many, but not all courses. Also, some professors use web conferencing outside of D2L for real-time class discussions as well. Online quizzes and even longer exams are possible in D2L. These may be short questionnaires that really help you determine your own level of comprehension of a particular weekly reading, or they could be large unit tests with many questions that include multiple choice, essay questions, and so on. In the class list, you see a list of class members, your fellow students, and if you click on the Instructors and Staff tab, the professor, and perhaps a teaching assistant. You can email any class member by checking the box next to them on the list and clicking Email. If you use D2L to send emails, be aware of two things. D2L does not have a complete email system. You can only send emails out of D2L, and when you do, it appears to senders to have come from your Canisius email address. Replies to your emails sent from D2L go to your Canisius email account outside D2L. Also, D2L will by default put your selected recipient email addresses into BCC or blind carbon copy. That's okay, it will go to your recipient just the same. So in this case, I'd add a subject, my message as the body, and then click the blue send button. Lastly, if your professor uses D2L's online gradebook, you can see scores on any graded material by visiting the grades area. Again, a link clickable on the nav bar. Down the left-hand side, I see quizzes, exams, assignments listed, and my grade may be displayed in one of several different ways depending on how the professor set up the gradebook. I also may see text feedback, and some professors even use an online rubric system. Here's a few other tips when using D2L as a student. Ordinarily, you only have access to the courses you are taking in the present semester. Courses in previous semesters are closed to you. For that reason, you want to save anything you submit to a course online, including assignment files, outside D2L. You can even save discussion text or posts that you submitted to online discussions. Write your post in a Google Doc and copy and paste the text into the discussion in D2L. That way, you have a record of anything you created for a course, and that can be handy in your future work. D2L can appear differently, even on various laptop and desktop monitors. But you can optimize any screen in D2L by using your browser's zoom. Typically, in your browser's menu, you'll find clickable plus and minus icons that allow you to zoom in and out. Search the web for keyboard and mouse combinations that make this even quicker. Take a few minutes to watch the other tutorial videos in our self-paced training set. You can find them by clicking this note card on the My Home screen. If at any point you have trouble using a feature in D2L or suspect that something may not be configured right in a particular course, call the Canisius College Help Desk at 888-8340 or email helpdesk@canisius.edu.